Google Doodle honors jazz great Hugh Masekela. On what would have been his 80th birthday, Google and music lovers are celebrating the life of Hugh Masekela. Google placed the jazz icon as its doodle to celebrate his birthday on April 4. Masekela died on January 23, 2018. The world-renowned trumpeter's death shocked the globe. In 2017, he confirmed that he had been diagnosed with prostate cancer. At the time of his death, Masekela was still making music. Rapper Rick revealed that the two were working on a project together at the time. Sal Masekela, the son of the jazz veteran, told SUPRISE that the family would be honored to have streets and buildings named after his father. Fans took to social media to remember the music legend.